free smoke. Anybody want it, they could get it, no joke. Call up landlord, nigga, that's bro. I only link with the real ones, Lord knows.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm not jumping on the bandwagon, guys. There's not going to be a lot of Fortnite content, and I'm not doing it like other YouTubers are doing it. I'm doing it from an art perspective. I love how the game looks. It's so vibrant and colourful, and I thought Ninja's on top of the game right now, so let's make him a revamp. It's half of his face in like a futuristic style with sort of those blue LEDs coming down his body, and the other half is like a ninja sort of fading off into the shadows. I made a banner where he's kind of being like overrun by smoke. You'll have seen this stuff because I put it at the start, and now the rest of the video is a speed art of me making it. I did it all in Photoshop. I used a drawing tablet for the sketches, and then I used the pen tool to sort of render it out. The download links are in the description. Of course, he's welcome to use it, and if you want to give me a helping hand in getting him to notice it, that would be sick. Anyway, yeah, that is all for this video. If you are a Fortnite streamer or a YouTuber, you just make videos on it and you want an overlay, go check out the video that I made before this one. It's a free Fortnite template to use. It's an easy download, completely free. And you can have it in any colour. It comes with a face cam box, so yeah, definitely go check that video out. I'm thinking of doing some potentially Fortnite concept art, like some pickaxe remaking or some environment drawing, just because I wanted to get back into concept art, and I thought now might be a good time with the trend of this game. I've been playing it quite a bit. I'm not the best, but it's very addictive. I have Easter holidays now, so I'll be making some more videos and doing some more client work. I'm currently full of clients at the moment, so I'm not taking anybody on, but you guys can definitely message me and join the list, because as soon as I finish these guys, I'll be taking on a new batch. Anyway, let me know what you think about this video. Drop a like and subscribe if you are new. We're growing really nicely at the moment. We've been making lots of progress. But yeah, I love feedback and I read every single comment, so definitely drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Send this to Ninja if you think he'd like it. And that is me out. Have a great day. Peace.
Cause all my man are running to the money, all be running like and all my man are running from them hoes on the roads like whoa, 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 whoa. Like whoa. A month ago you didn't wanna know, but now I'm seeing those.